Okay, so today I'll be reviewing, and opening, the iPod Touch Scratch and Scuff, second generation, 16 gigabyte. I've tried so many times to get this before, and they've been either all out or the price has been jacked up than the online price. And I'm also sick, so my voice sounds way different. Scratch, you can't hear me. Sorry. So, I have from GameStop. I have my wallet. Don't know why it's in there. All paper. I was gonna get the other kind right here, but they sold out all stores. So yeah. And last but not least, the iPod Touch. And my mom's talking also, so if you hear her, well, then you notice. Now, this is a scratch and scuff kind, and I'm really worried right now because I see on the back there's like tons of scratches and these really weird clear things and stuff, so I have no clue if that's part of it. But yeah, I'm not going to open it up much further because I'm going to save my enjoyment, and yeah. So this is my iPod Touch. Generation 2, 16 gigabyte. Comes with new earbuds, new CD adapter, and a sync cable. And I was hoping for a better box because all the other ones came in cool boxes. But they're cool. First iPod ever. All their MP3 players, and I got one from eMag, which they suck. It just like broke one day. Like, I had nothing to it, and the customer service didn't even answer me. But RCA had a good kind. It went underwater, salt water, and it wasn't supposed to, and it still works. I'm not recommending doing that, but yeah. So, alright, I'm just gonna go ahead anyways and open it for all you. It's already recharged and stuff, I think, so let's go ahead and open it.